Welcome to your daily tech pulse, where the giants of industry are making massive moves in the world of artificial intelligence. First up, Amazon is making an incredible statement in the AI race with a massive new commitment of up to $25 billion to Anthropic. This partnership is all about securing massive cloud and compute power, with Anthropic set to invest over $100 billion into Amazon Web Services over the next decade. It is a bold play to dominate the infrastructure powering our future AI models, ensuring that high-performance chips like Trainium are ready for the next wave of innovation.
Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The momentum does not stop there, because Amazon Web Services is now expanding its reach directly into the heart of India's tech ecosystem. By partnering with SHI India, AWS is officially supporting the India AI mission to bring cutting-edge AI infrastructure to government departments, startups, and researchers across the country. Through this collaboration, organizations can now tap into powerful tools like Amazon SageMaker and Amazon Bedrock to build their own indigenous AI models without the headache of managing complex hardware. All of this strategic activity is sending shockwaves through the financial markets and boosting confidence in Amazon stock. Investors are reacting strongly to the deep technical and financial alignment between Amazon and Anthropic, which includes an additional $5 billion equity stake. With enterprises like Lyft and Pfizer already integrating Claude AI through AWS, the market sees clearly that Amazon is becoming the essential backbone for companies looking to scale their generative AI capabilities worldwide. Finally, we are seeing the practical impact of this cloud revolution as Choice Hotels completely transforms the hospitality experience through a massive integration with AWS. By becoming the first U.S. hospitality provider to deploy Agent Core at scale, Choice Hotels is using AI to overhaul everything from guest booking to complex franchisee operations. It is a masterclass in how cloud-native intelligence drives real-world efficiency and revenue. If you want to stay on top of these massive industry shifts, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss an update. Ever wonder what a $100 billion bet on the future looks like? Well, Amazon just pulled back the curtain, and it is absolutely massive. We are looking at a deal that isn't just a partnership. It is a full-blown transformation of the AI landscape. Amazon is pouring up to $25 billion into Anthropic, but the real kicker here is the commitment moving in the other direction. Over the next decade, Anthropic has pledged to spend a staggering $100 billion on Amazon's cloud infrastructure. Think about that for a second. That is not just a budget. That is an entire ecosystem's worth of computing power. Why the intensity? Because in the race for AI dominance, the real gold isn't just the code, it's the hardware. Anthropic needs massive scale for its Claude models, and Amazon is betting big that its custom Trainium chips are the engines that will drive the next generation of AI. It is a brilliant play from Amazon. While their own internal models like Nova have had a bit of a rocky road to relevance, they have effectively positioned themselves as the digital arms dealer of the AI gold rush. By backing players like Anthropic, and even flirting with potential investments in OpenAI, Amazon is ensuring that no matter who wins the AI wars, Amazon Web Services collects the rent. They are projecting a massive $200 billion in capital expenditure this year alone, most of it funneled directly into the backbone of the internet. It is a high-stakes chess match where the board is made of silicon and the pieces cost billions. What do you think? Is Amazon playing it smart by betting on everyone, or are they masking a struggle to innovate on their own? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the tech giants shaping our future. Remember, in the age of AI, the only thing more valuable than intelligence is the power to run it. Ever wondered how a nation actually scales an AI revolution from the ground up? It is not just about writing code. It is about building the massive, complex infrastructure that makes innovation possible. And now, Amazon Web Services is making a major move in India to do exactly that. AWS has officially teamed up with SHI India, formerly known as LOCAS, to supercharge the India AI mission. This is a big deal because SHI India is now an impaneled partner, meaning they have the green light to bring high-end, AWS-managed AI services directly to the people who need them most. Think about government departments, budding startups, and research institutions that have big ideas but get stuck trying to manage the heavy lifting of AI infrastructure. This collaboration fixes that bottleneck. By leveraging tools like Amazon SageMaker, these organizations can train and customize their own large language models without drowning in operational overhead. SageMaker is a beast when it comes to GPU training, handling everything from automated cluster setup to self-healing node recovery, which essentially lets engineers focus on the model rather than the plumbing. Plus, with Amazon Bedrock in the mix, they are covering the full spectrum of generative AI. Sandeep Dutta from AWS India hit the nail on the head when he said this is about moving from experimentation to real-world impact. It is one thing to play with AI, but it is another thing entirely to build solutions that serve millions of citizens and potentially set a global standard for how AI can be deployed at a national level. This partner-led model is clever. It combines the raw power of AWS technology with the local expertise of a firm that understands the unique regulatory and enterprise landscape of India. It is a strategic bridge that makes enterprise-grade AI accessible, practical, and most importantly, impactful. So, what do you think? Is this the missing piece of the puzzle for India's digital future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay on the pulse of global tech shifts. After all, the best way to predict the future of AI is to watch how the giants build the foundation today. Ever wonder what $100 billion sounds like? Well, it sounds a lot like the future of artificial intelligence. Amazon stock just pulled off an incredible late-day comeback, pivoting from a slump to a massive rally in extended trading, all thanks to a monumental deal with Anthropic. We are talking about a 10-year, $100 billion commitment to AWS infrastructure. This isn't just a partnership, it is a total bet on the next generation of computing. Anthropic is going all in, tapping into massive computational power, up to 5 gigawatts, to fuel their AI models using Amazon's cutting-edge Trainium and Graviton chips. This is the definition of a strategic power move. Amazon isn't just renting out servers anymore. They are embedding their own hardware, like the upcoming Trainium 3, into the very DNA of AI development. And let's talk about that equity stake, an additional $5 billion, with the potential to balloon to $20 billion if they hit the right benchmarks. That is a massive vote of confidence. Plus, by weaving the Claude AI platform directly into the AWS ecosystem, Amazon is making it easier than ever for companies like Lyft and Pfizer to plug in and start scaling. It's frictionless, it's fast, and it's clearly what the market was hungry for. With massive clusters like Project Rainier powering the next wave of innovation, Amazon is effectively positioning itself as the backbone of the AI economy. It is a bold, high-stakes play that proves the battle for AI dominance is being won by whoever owns the most efficient infrastructure. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stocks shaping our digital future. But here is the real question for you. In a world where infrastructure is king, can anyone actually catch up to Amazon, or have they already secured their lead for the next decade? Ever wondered why some hotels just seem to know exactly what you need before you even check in? The hospitality industry is undergoing a massive AI-driven facelift, and Choice Hotels is leading the charge in a major way. They've officially ditched the fragmented, hit-or-miss approach to technology, partnering with Amazon Web Services to bake AI into their DNA from the ground up. This isn't just about a chatbot on a website. They are moving from small, isolated pilots to a full-scale, enterprise-wide integration that covers everything from the moment you search for a room to the moment you hand back your keycard. What makes this move particularly bold is their adoption of Agent Core, a secure, scalable platform powered by AWS. Think of it as a digital nervous system that allows Choice to automate complex workflows and tap into trusted data in real time. For the guests, this translates to a truly personalized experience where your recommendations are actually relevant, whether you're booking online or interacting with staff on site. But it's not just about the guests. Choice is providing their franchisees with a powerful toolkit to tackle revenue management, property maintenance, and communication bottlenecks. By simplifying distribution and optimizing pricing, they are essentially giving hotel owners a competitive edge that was previously reserved for tech giants. Brian Kirkland, the CIO of Choice Hotels, calls this the next chapter in their innovation story, and honestly, it's hard to argue with that sentiment. They aren't just adapting to the future, they're building it. It's a fascinating pivot that proves that in the modern era, the best hospitality is powered by the smartest tech. If you found this update on the intersection of AI and travel interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how tech is reshaping the world around us. Does this level of AI integration make you feel more pampered or a little bit uneasy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.